back. Stop laughing at me. I don't know an intro, guys. Hey everyone, what's up? Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, Moon Stokians? I don't know, it's horrible. We're back in the bathroom, but we're not doing an ear stretch. We're not stretching ears. We already got the double zero in. Okay, we gotta wait. We need some patience. Today, we're back with the Brite Bleach, but this time, we're going with the heavy duty stuff, the actual bleach. Last time, if you remember in the last video, we did a little segment of my hair. It was like the non-bleach bleach tester. This is cruelty-free vegan bleach kit. I want to bleach my hair. I'm bored. Okay, I haven't like legit bleached my hair in a long time, and I want to do it. So we're gonna try it. We have the bleach mohawk, and then we're gonna go with some color. I got this new orangey red. It's called Encore. Good Dye Young. We got that, and we also got some blue. I'm thinking mostly blue with some spots of orange. It's gonna look crazy if it goes well. But I'm doing it myself. I'm mixing the bleach with the straw. It's probably not gonna go well. So let's start mixing this bleach and see what happens. Okay, so first we got this developing cream and lighting cream. The directions say if you have darker hair, yeah, it's pretty dark, do 50-50. So I'm gonna do that right now. Ish. And we mix it with the straw. I really don't think this is gonna be enough. I'm gonna load up some more. I'll get the gloves on so when I'm done mixing, we could just start it up. Oh, I should take my glasses off. It's like, I don't really need them. I mean, my glasses are fine, so I don't really need them, but I always like changing things up. As you all could probably tell. F it. You heard? F it. And then we need a cloth when we're done. Okay. Use the straw with here. And let's get to town. I'm gonna look in the mirror. Can you guys see me? Yeah. Let's start with a little bit. My hair's dry, which is supposed to be. Gonna put it in.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay. It's definitely all in my hair. I'm gonna put a plastic bag on my head and see where this gets me in like 45 minutes. So, get back. The bag is on. 45 minutes starts right now. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes and I don't think it worked. Oh, yeah, there we go. I think some of it worked. So I think we have to call in for backup and have Olivia do the spots that are not dyed, but I know the sideburns didn't work. I definitely put them in there, but let's see. Oh God, I'm so scared. The reveal. The reveal. The reveal. This is gonna be so bad.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Oh, not as bad as I thought. Oh, okay, kind of worked. All right, we're in there. We're in there like swimwear. Just gotta get the back going. How's the back look? All right. Okay. It looks more. Definitely gotta fix it up though, because I'm not having false tips. Look at that. I look like I fell in a pool of acid. My hair dyed, some of it. Let me go get Olivia to help me finish the rest. Wait another 45. Olivia's gonna come and get the spots that I didn't do. How's your back, guys? I didn't see it. Is it cool? I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be dope. It's not gonna be blonde though. I'm gonna go. I mean, you know what? Let's just wait to see what this looks like. Because right now I'm a zebra. Should I just say fuck it and leave it like this? She goes, no. Okay, so clearly I didn't do a good job by myself. I think the back is completely black. But I did sort of do it. I look like a K-pop star sensation. Which part? This part? So my special little lady's gonna come help me do the rest. The second coat is in. Megamind is here. Don't you guys know what happens with this shiz? Alright. We're back. Reel number 2. Let's see how this is. Let's see if this is any better. Let's see if this is any better with my shorty's help. With my shorty's help. Oh man, we don't have any more bleach left. My sides look crazy. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna wash this out. I feel like it'll look a lot better when it's all washed out. So let me do that real fast. I didn't even show you guys the back. Much better, I think. Let's wash it out. Okay. A little Super Saiyan action. Definitely didn't get all the roots in every spot, but who cares? You know, they didn't really give me that much. Right? Maybe give me a little more. Probably not their fault. Probably not their fault, but it's fine. How's the back? Pretty blonde, right? Kinda. We're gonna dye some colors. I think it's definitely bright enough to do some colors, so let's get to the fun part after this totally dries. Thank God for Olivia. I would have been screwed. I don't know, that's pretty cool blonde. Like weirdly dirty blonde. I feel like this is just like some advanced friggin' highlighted tips, frosted tips. Okay. We still here? I kinda like really like how the black still shows out. This is gnarly, dude. I look crazy. But you know, what's life without a little crazy?
My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
All right, I'm about to take a shower. Here's the final color reveal of the video. Let's see how it did. I'm pretty scared right now. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea how this is gonna look. It might look crazy. This point, I'm just over it. I'm like, it's fine. Just take a shower and be good with it, you know? Whew. Here we go. Did it work? Did anything work? Did anything work? Did anything work? You guys tell me, did it work? You guys tell me, I don't wanna know. What the fuck? Is that gray? What is that? Bro, I don't know what the hell happened. I don't know what is going on here. I don't know what in the what is going on here, bro. I don't know if this worked. I think the blue cucked me again. Fuck. Man, I'm tight. Should I leave it in longer? I did it for so long. Ooh, I'm tight. My hair's gonna be messy now. It's fine. It's like that, but maybe I just have to wash it out. Let's wash it out and see what happens. Whatever, I'm over it. Okay, here's the final product. It's definitely weird. Like the pink didn't really stay that much, kind of. Well, it did. It totally did. I think it's just a little wet right now. But then the blue is like not blue at all. But I'm not mad at it. It's like this like silver brown kind of thing, and then it mixes with this pink. And then I got pink going on. Back, you can see that? Or something? Oh wait, you guys can't see that. How about that? Can you see that? I hope so. Here's the back of my head. How's it look? I don't know. I kind of like it. The vegan bleach Brite dye definitely worked. It definitely dyed my hair. But that other dye is so weird. Like it's supposed to be blue, but now my hair is like silver. What even is that? And then the pink was alright. I mean, it wasn't really pink. It was more of this color, which is fair. It was more this color, but when it came out of the like dye thing, it was super pink. So I thought it was pink, but I was originally going to be this color. But yeah, it definitely works. How's the back of my head? It looks so dark in here. Here we go. It looks really dark, but I think there's color. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of pink in the back. Who knows? Maybe we'll re-dye it. But for right now, I'm gonna go watch The Last of Us with Olivia. My freshly dyed hair. You know, I'm not mad at it. I like it. Ain't nobody's got hair like this. It looks kind of cool. I like it. I like it. Still black, kind of. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. It's definitely a wacky job. It definitely, you definitely know that wasn't done professionally, but hey, it adds character, it adds charm. So let me know what you guys think of the old hairdo, of the weird mess up here. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.